In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landscapes in OpenArt. We'll start by generating brand new landscape images from a text description. Then I'll show you how to turn an existing photo into a landscape format using OpenArt's editing tools. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along and get great results on your first try. From the OpenArt homepage, hover your mouse over the Image section to reveal the creation options. Click Create Image to open the generator. At the top, choose the model or character you want to work with by using the switch. Different models can produce different styles, so pick one that matches the look you're after: cinematic, painterly, or photorealistic. Next, in the prompt box, describe the landscape you want to generate. Aim for clear visual language. Mention the subject, setting, mood, lighting, and style. For example, vast coastal cliffs at golden hour, soft mist, dramatic clouds, wide-angle, high detail. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Before generating, adjust the number of images. More images give you more variety, but they also take a bit longer to process. When you're ready, click Create and give the AI a moment to work. Once the images appear, review them and note which wording produced the best results for future prompts. If you already have a photo and want it transformed into a landscape format, use the editor. On the left side panel, click Image, then choose Edit Image. Upload or drag your image into the workspace. Click Expand to start outpainting beyond the original borders. Now change the aspect ratio and select a landscape size that fits your needs. Wider frames are perfect for sweeping scenes and banners. Position your original image on the canvas wherever it looks best. You can move it freely to control composition. Try leaving space for the AI to extend the sky, sea, or fields, and consider the rule of thirds for balance. If you want to guide the expansion, add an optional text prompt describing what should appear in the newly added areas, such as continue the pine forest with a distant lake and soft morning fog. Adjust the number of images you want to generate for variations, then click Create and wait for the results. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly generate stunning landscapes or convert your photos into wide cinematic scenes. Try different prompts and aspect ratios, and you'll find a look that fits your project perfectly.